Start by pressing or knocking the factory stabilizer stud out of the factory bracket. Using a spacer, draw the stud into your new bracket until it is fully seated. Measure the full stroke of your stabilizer and set it half of the full stroke. With the wheels straight, install the stabilizer to the bracket and then the bracket to your tie rod. Be sure to check that you have full lock-to-lock steering and adjust as necessary.
For more information, head over to steinjaeger.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.